Hello Woodwards, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Today we will see how to show text summary into Invoice. So let's see about that, how to work it. You can see here a module Invoice Text Summary. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to Invoicing app, go to Customer Invoice and create new. Select customer like Deco Addict and product is corner desk flat sheet and another is a block screen. So see here corner desk for text 10% and block screen for 15%. Let's save. Display here this text details. Go to this page and display both texts 10 and 15 and also display here base amount and text amount. Now I want to print this invoice and see here your printed report in text description, base amount and total tax. If you found this helpful, do it like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.